We had seen how to create a customer account on the bimgoodies.com website, which is a global BIM marketplace for selling Revit families, ArchiCAD objects, ArchiCAD templates, material textures, visualization presets, project files, ebooks, courses, and other related digital downloadable products. So in the case of signing up as a BIM Goodies creator or as a vendor on the platform, you are going to access that via my account or using this avatar that shows login or register. And when you click on that, it's going to take you to the login and register page. So if you are registered, you're going to log in from the left side here. If you are new on the platform, you'll come to this side where it's written register, and you have here a button showing I am a customer or I am a vendor. So in the case of someone wanting to upload products on the platform, that is, now you are becoming part of the creator community of a BIM Goodies creator community. You're not going to tick I am a customer. You're going to tick I am a vendor. And you notice when you tick I am a vendor, you have more fields to be filled that are active. You have your email address, a password, first name, last name, shop URL. You have a phone number and all those other details. So what we are going to do is now start filling in those details to create a vendor account. So I'll start with my email address. And then my password. So make sure you put a strong password. What is my first name? So that will be my first name. Let's say this is my last name. What will be my shop name? My shop name, let's write sample shop name. Shop URL, sample shop name, like that. So when you are sharing this with the other people, this is going to be your URL. I'm hosting this on a local host, but the platform is already live. So this is being used for testing purposes only. And then in this case, I'll put my phone number down there where it tells me gives me some information. So it says your personal data will be used to support your experience throughout this website, to manage your access to your account, and for other purposes described in our privacy policy. So you can see it's giving a description of how your personal data is going to be used when you sign up on the platform. So click on register. So when you click on register, you are going to be brought now to this sign up process. So we have the BIM Marketplace, and it's saying welcome to the marketplace. Thank you for choosing the marketplace to power your online store. This is quick setup wizard. Will help you configure the basic settings, and it's completely optional. It should take not longer than 2 minutes. So in this case, you can choose to first set up the information that is required here in terms of your store, payment, and all these things, or you can choose to do this later. So let's say you want to do this later, click on not right now. It's going to load now your creator dashboard. So inside the creator dashboard, you have access to your sales, your earnings, page views, number of orders. You can track sales you've made every month. You can track orders in terms of what orders have been completed, pending, processing, cancelled, refunded, on hold, like that. You also have access to products. Here you can add new products, and you can be able to manage existing products. So let me take you through the seller dashboard or the creator dashboard for just a few minutes. Then I'll make another video to show you how you can upload products on the platform. In this case, on the dashboard, we've seen the information that you're able to track there. And then down you have below that you have the products. Products in this case is going to keep a track of all the products that you have created on the platform. In this case, because we have not created any product, we are being told no products found. Ready to start selling something awesome? You can click on this button to add a product. I'll show you how to add product later. So from there, click on orders, which is below products here. And orders is going to show you all the orders that have been made on your store, and is going to segment them, or rather to group them into the ones that are completed, processing, on hold, pending, cancelled, refunded, or failed. In that case, you'll be able to know how you are progressing in terms of how many orders have been made and what is the status of these orders. Then we proceed down to this withdraw. So in terms of withdrawal here, you have your available balance. That is when you've made sales, money is going to be collecting in your account. So you'll have your balance showing here, your minimum withdrawal amount showing there. And when you have reached the minimum, you can click on the withdraw button and money is going to be sent to your account. In this case, you should set payment details, either PayPal or bank transfer, as you will see on the platform. I'll be showing you all this in another video. And when you're done with this, you see another tab here written settings. So if you click on settings is going to take us to now your personal store on the platform. Like you're going to have a dedicated page on the website with your branding, logo, and images and all those things. So you'll be required to upload a store banner, which is 625 by 300 pixels. So before we get to the other video, I want you to design this one so that when you come back, you are just uploading it. You'll be required to have a profile picture for the shop, the store name that we had set, and then you have now store address, street address, apartment, town, all those details, your phone number, and then when you're done, you can update the settings there. From there, we go to payment. So under payment, this is where you can add the various, or rather the different payment methods that you want to be using. In this case, you can add your PayPal account or any other payment method that is going to be supported on the platform. So click on add. I'll show you how to do this in another video. So this is just to show you how to create seller account and how the seller dashboard looks like. So I hope now you've learned the basics of creating the account, and we can log out and see you in the next user guide video.